Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive, and today I'm actually on the beach filming an update video for you guys on the boardwalk. You know, going through renovation, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry, we're saving this video for another day. While I was here, I put the drone in the sky to get some views of everything that's going on because it is very strange to see, and I turned the camera around to face Mariner's Pier, and I noticed something very, very strange. I'm going to play the video for you guys. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. And when I play this video, just keep an eye open. Something is missing. Here we go. And as a reminder, Christmas is only about a month away, so make sure you get all of our Christmas gifts in advance. We have our brand new 2022 Christmas ornaments, Santa driving the tram car. We have a coloring book, we have a lot new pins, and of course, the ugly Wildwood's Christmas sweater. If you want any of that stuff, we'll have a link in the description below. Did you see it? Did you see it? I mean, the title of this video definitely gave it away, but Rollie's coaster is missing. It's completely missing off the pier. Let me slow it down for you guys so you can see it again. So, what is going on here? Well, I'm walking on the beach to actually walk over there to share it with you guys. But as far as I can see, it looks like they're just fixing it up. Now, Morey's Piers is #1 when it comes to safety and maintenance. And every year they take apart their rides, they go ahead, fix them up, paint them up, make them look good, and then put them back together. And I think that's what's going on here. There's a few reasons for that. One is if it was sold, they wouldn't line it up like this. They would take it down via crane, they would put it on trucks, and then cart it away. But they still have some of the main components sitting here. Now, let me flip the camera on for you guys, just because it is so weird looking. You can see right here, we have the emergency steps that are sitting there. Those are brand new, at least new within the past, I want to say 5-7 years. So they probably don't need maintenance on them. But here you can see some pieces just sitting on the beach. I know, it's strange to see. Very strange. Let me do a turn for you guys. You can see these are all the main pieces. They're a little rusty. I'm assuming they're gonna paint this stuff and make it look nice. I think the last time this ride had this extensive maintenance done on it was 2009, I believe. It's when they actually moved it back. Remember, it used to be that way. They were actually redoing everything over here, and they moved it, they actually lifted it up and moved it, which was really cool. But it's just so weird to see it on the beach and to see nothing there. Strange. And you can see the main tower is still standing, And it looks like they're keeping it that way. See how it's tied down? Now you're probably saying to yourself, Joey, what makes you think that it's returning for next year? What is like the big factor that makes you go, yeah, it's definitely coming back? Well, I just flew over their maintenance pier. Well, flew by. You can't really fly everything's here. And you can see the track. It looks painted and is sitting out on the other side. Looks like they're bringing in the pieces one at a time, stripping off the old paint, then going ahead, fixing any issues with it. Maybe it's a little bent out of shape, bend it back. They're gonna prime it and then paint it. And then, of course, bring it back over, rebuild this, and put it back up. That's what it looks like for me. I mean, there's no confirmation yet from Morey's. Let me go ahead and actually show you a video of that. You can see it laying out right on top of the pier. It is so cool to be able to see stuff like this taking place right on our beaches. You know, this is our Disney World, and let me tell you, I think it's better than Disney World. But it's so amazing to see how much maintenance and how much care Morey's Piers has for all of their rides. And I'll be giving you guys updates throughout the entire year on this project and other stuff because Balloon Race is coming back. Completely put together. I mean, they're actually doing it right now. And I can't wait till that's back together because a lot of you guys kept on asking me, is Balloon Race coming back? It is. Don't worry. Stay tuned for that video. We'll save that one for later on. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And a special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of you guys I get to do fun videos like this, and you too can support this channel. All you have to do is click the links in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey. Thank you for joining me. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. I'll see you later. Bye.